Myth: you can see who viewed your Facebook profile. That's false. In 2025, Facebook still doesn't provide a profile viewers list to regular users. Only limited interactions like likes, comments, and story viewers show up, not a full visitor log. Third-party apps and browser extensions that promise viewers are scams or privacy risks, avoid them. So what can you do? Use Facebook's built-in privacy and security tools to protect your account. Quick demo: I'll show 4 real steps to check who can see your profile and activity. Step 1. Open Privacy Shortcuts, then tap Who Can See What You Share to review visibility. Step 2. Set future posts to friends or only me and limit old posts in bulk. Step 3. Security Checkup, review active logins, remove unknown devices, and enable two-factor authentication. Step 4. Check story viewers in your followers list for direct interactions, that's as close as it gets. Recap: no official profile viewer list, avoid third-party claims, and tighten privacy settings regularly. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more social media reality checks.